Tips on making money from eBay. The title of your content should be short and catchy. You must include keywords on the title. You can research the keywords. List your product according to the category it belongs. Upload more than 5 quality photos with white background. Most important, the content should not be copied. Keep at least 600 words for better results. The product should be detailed and descriptive. Provide more information about it. Proper shipping and return policies should be mentioned. The presentation of your listing should be done properly. And lastly, you should check with SEO consultants time to time to see how your eBay account is performing. You can rank your eBay listing higher through all these steps. Thank you for watching. Please visit Himaltech for more.